Welcome to Product Critique, the place where we break down the best tools on the market. Today we're looking at the best cordless battery-operated lightweight chainsaw out there, the Worx 20V 5-inch mini cordless chainsaw, model WG324. If you're into DIY pruning, garden maintenance, or just want a reliable tool that doesn't weigh you down, you're going to want to stick around for this one. This mini chainsaw is designed for power, portability, and precision. Right out of the box, you get the 5-inch cordless pruning saw, a bar and chain sheath for safety, a 20V 2.0 Ah power share battery, and a quick charger. Everything you need is included, no hidden extras. The first thing you'll notice is the weight. Just 3.9 pounds, including the battery. That means it's light enough for one-handed operation, even when you're working overhead or at awkward angles. The compact design makes pruning trees, trimming shrubs, and tackling yard cleanup so much more manageable. But don't let the size fool you, this chainsaw is fast. It slices through branches at an impressive 22 feet per second. And thanks to a high-efficiency motor, you get minimal vibration, which helps you cut with more accuracy and less fatigue over long sessions. This saw uses Worx's PowerShare battery system. That means the included 20V battery isn't locked to this one tool. You can swap it with over 140 other 20V, 40V, and 80V tools in the PowerShare ecosystem. That's a huge plus for anyone already in the Worx family or planning to expand their toolkit. Another great feature is the built-in chain tensioning tool. It's stored right on the saw, so you can easily dial in the tension without scrambling to find a wrench. That's a thoughtful detail, and exactly what makes this tool user-friendly even for beginners. Safety is a big focus here. You've got a triple safety design, a handguard, an upper chain guard, and a lockout switch to prevent accidental starts. There's also a soft secondary grip that improves control and makes it more comfortable to hold during long cutting sessions. Worx claims you can cut through up to 100 pieces of 2-inch wood on a single charge. That's more than enough for a full pruning session or tackling a weekend yard project without recharging midway. So to recap, you're getting a cordless chainsaw that's incredibly lightweight, fast, and versatile. The included battery and charger make it a complete starter kit. With smooth performance, long runtime, and integrated safety features, this is a fantastic tool for gardeners, homeowners, and weekend warriors. If you're in the market for a compact, cordless chainsaw that doesn't sacrifice power for portability, the Worx WG324 is a top contender. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth reviews like this one. See you in the next video.